question tags. For this question tags, we need some negative verbs here. Okay, let me see how to split the words. Suppose if it is given isn't it, it is meant as is not. Wasn't, it's nothing but was not. Aren't, or not. Weren't, were not. Don't, do not. Doesn't, does not. Didn't, did not. Shan't, shall not. Won't, will not. Wouldn't, would not. Can't, cannot. Couldn't, could not. Haven't, have not. Hasn't, has not. Hadn't, had not. Shouldn't, should not. We can say a positive statement followed by a negative question tag. Let me see how. For example, you have some sentence, you are a student. You are a student. Here the verb is are. So we can ask the question tag as in the negative questioning, that is, aren't you. Here the verb is are, so we have to take are. We have to put some negative thing, so aren't. Then the subject is you, so aren't you. The answer for this is aren't you. She is a doctor. Here the verb is. So is. The negative format is not, so isn't. The subject is she here, so isn't she. The books are interesting. Here the verb is are. Along with this negative thing, aren't. The subject is the books is plural, so we have to mention this as they. The pronoun of the books is they. So we have to put the question tag as aren't they. Third one, I can swim. Here the verb is can and the negative form of can is can't. The subject is I, so we can say this question tag as can't I. The next one, we should obey the elders. Here the verb is should and we is the subject here, so we can say the negative format of should is shouldn't. So we can say this question tag as shouldn't we. Once the car was costly. So here was is the verb and subject is the car. So this is the object, isn't it? So we can say the pronoun of the car is it. The negative form of was is wasn't. So we can say the question tag as wasn't it. Second one, a negative statement can be followed by a positive question tag. Suppose if you have the sentence, Kyle isn't a lazy girl. Kyle isn't a lazy girl. Suppose here we can found the verb as isn't. It is a negative statement. Here we have to take this as positive for question tag. So we can write this isn't as is. And what's the subject here? Kyle. So it's a pronoun. Pronoun for Kyle is she. So we can conclude this as is she. Some more examples. We don't have enough time. Here don't is the negative verb. For this a positive verb is do and pronoun for we is same we only. So we have the question tag do we. He is not playing well. Here the negative statement is the is not. So we can take a positive thing yes. The pronoun of he is same he only. So we can say the question tag for this is he. Next one, you were not listening. So were not is the verb. So take the positive verb as were. Pronoun is you. So were you. Next one, Chandini hadn't seen you before. Hadn't. It's a negative thing. Take the positive thing for this, that is had. And Chandini is nothing but a girl, so the pronoun of this Chandini is she. So had she. Next, children shouldn't watch TV too much. Here shouldn't is the negative thing, so take this positive thing as should. And we can take this pronoun for children, it's a plural form, so take this as they. So the answer for this is should they. Third model, if the sentence has no auxiliary verb. Suppose we have the sentence, you play the guitar. You play the guitar. Here the verb is play. There is no auxiliary verb, we have only the action verb. So this play is this present tense, isn't it? So we can split this play as do plus play. Suppose if we have likes, we have split this verb as does plus like. If they have play, we can split this as do plus play. If we have likes, we can split this as does plus like. So for this I can say the question tag as do is the auxiliary verb, so I can say this as the negative format, don't you. And here does, I have the auxiliary verb, so I can say the negative form of does is doesn't. So doesn't, the pronoun of Deepa is she, so doesn't she. One more example we can see here. When the statement is in the simple past, we form the question tag with the did. Suppose if I have the sentence like this, he came yesterday. So came is the past verb here. I can split this past verb as did plus come. So this did plus come can be written in the negative format as didn't. So I can say this question tag as didn't. Here the pronoun is he, so I can write this as didn't he. We can have some more examples here. You speak English. So speak is a verb here. We can split this verb as do plus speak. So do, for do the negative format is don't. So we can write this don't you. Suppose if the same verb can be written like this, you spoke English. Here spoke is the past tense. We can split this spoke into did plus speak. So take this as did, and pronoun is you only here. So you can take this as didn't you. Here you have to take the negative format. Here the mistake, the didn't, you have to write didn't speak or didn't you. Likewise we can go through the examples here. For example, one more sentence here, they drink tea. So drink is nothing but the present verb. We can split this present verb into do plus drink. So the question tag is don't they. If it is past tense, drank, we can split the word drank as did plus drink. So the negative form of did is didn't. Here the subject is they, so didn't they. Here we have some examples there, so we can go through that examples. I am handsome. Here am is the auxiliary verb, so I meant I. Don't be crazy. Don't is the negative thing, we have to write in the positive thing. If it is negative, we have to write in positive. If it is positive, we have to write in negative. So here don't be crazy, so we have to write do we. They seldom visit our village. Visit, visit is the verb here. Here this is the action verb, so do plus visit. So we have to write this as don't he, don't they. The answer is don't they. Likewise you have to do all the exercise thing here.